Hello children, welcome to maths class. We are continuing in this video with question number 9 of your exercise 9.1. The question is here, the angle of elevation of the top of a building. Let us see, building is on the ground, it is standing, a building. So, angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of a tower, that means somewhere there is tower. So, we look at the building AB, suppose is the building. We are looking at this building from here, this angle is 30 degree. So, this CD is the tower. We are not giving name here because there is one doubt. What is that doubt in our mind? The tower is 50 meter high. That is another thing. The angle of the elevation of the top of building from the foot of tower is 30 degree. If we have assumed this is building. So, this from the foot of tower, the angle of elevation of the top is 30. Then the angle of elevation of the top of tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. So, this angle will tell us whether building is taller or tower is taller. From the foot of tower we are looking at the top of building, angle is smaller, that is 30 degree, and from the foot of building we are looking at the tower, angle is 60 degree, that means surely tower is taller than the building. So, when we draw the diagram, after understanding the question, we will show that tower is taller than the building. I hope you got the idea. How? Angle is telling us the angle of the top of building when seen from the top of tower is 30. So, building is smaller, shorter, and from the foot of building elevation of the top of tower is 60. So, tower is taller than building. We look at the top of tower. So, let us see, CD is the tower. Then height of tower is 50. This is known to us, 50 meter. What will be the height of building? No need to write here building, or if we write also this okay. In introduction we will write that nicely. So, let us start solution. What we have assumed here, AB be the height of building, this we have to find out. Let AB be the height of a building. This we have to find. Height of the tower is there. The height of tower is that is CD, that is given 50 meter, and we are clearly seeing these two. Actually, no need to write here building and tower. We have mentioned it in the introduction portion. We have one triangle here ABD, another triangle CDB. Let us work in this triangle one after another. So, we start the work in right triangle ABD, right triangle. We will use, we need height of tower, base, perpendicular, we will use 10, ratio 10 for this angle. This acute angle is here 30 degree. So, 10 30 degree, perpendicular AB opposite to the acute angle, and base is BD. 30 degree we know 1 by root 3, and here we do not know height of building and this base also. So, what to do? We will just go with this AB by BD. When we simplify, we will find BD is equal to root 3 AB. So, from first right triangle we are getting 1 into BD, BD is equal to root 3 into AB, root 3 AB. So, this is something what first right triangle has given us. We will make use of it in another right triangle when it come in use. Let us see now another right triangle CDB. This is right triangle. Here CD tower perpendicular and base BD. Let us go with that with the same ratio. Now we work in right triangle CBD. 10 only we will use ratio. For this angle was how much? 60 degree from the foot of the building, height elevation of the top of tower. So 10 60 degree perpendicular CD and base is BD. 10 30 60 degree value is root 3. CD is known to us 50 meter height of tower. And BD, what about BD? First right triangle has given us BD is equal to root 3 AB. So we can use that root 3 BD. Let us do now cross multiplication. Root 3 into root 3, 3 BD is equal to 50. Here we can mention what we can mention, BD equal to root 3 AB we have already got here. So we are using BD equal to root 3. What is that? BD is equal to root 3 AB, not BD, sorry, it is AB. So root 3 AB will be, 1 second, root 3 into root 3 3 AB is equal to 50. We get what? AB is equal to 50 by 3. What was there to find? This was there to find height of the building. Now 50 by root 3 we can convert into decimal also, 50 divided by 3, or we can just leave here also 50 by root 3 is the height of the building. So it is a simple question. Only starting we need to understand in this question with help of this angle which is taller. Here if we show building is taller and tower is shorter, we will not be correct. So only need to be careful while showing in diagram which is taller tower, and then just use these both right triangle and complete the work. I hope you are learning from these videos. Please like, subscribe and also share among your friends. Let everybody get help through this channel. Hope to see you soon with the next question in new video.